If you want to know why the Monster Wheels Ram sounds so good, you've come to the right place. Now the Ram is taking Australia by storm. It's got a massive tow capacity, it feels like king of the road, and it's pretty affordable, but it sounds like rubbish. So today, we're going to fix that. You all want to know what it sounds like, so here's a teaser with a Manta catback exhaust. So now you know how good it sounds. Just go and buy one. But if you want to hang around, I'm going to show you what else matters about buying from Manta. Manta offers Australia's best range of performance exhausts. With over 90 years of experience, they have almost everything covered, from Holdens and Fords to new utes and big SUVs like the Land Cruiser and Patrol. Then there is the gear they invest in. Manta has invested heavily in both their factories and the teams that run them. They run the latest cutting technologies as well as automated bending machines headlined by a new automated mandrel bender that maintains internal diameters at millimeter accuracy. Using the technology and making sure everything that leaves the company's two factories is perfect is a dedicated team, some of which have been with the company for over 12 years. So, what goes into a Ram exhaust? Under the 1500 is heaps of space for a much better exhaust. The catback system bolts on from the factory Y pipe. It is a full twin 3-inch system with an H-pipe, hot dog and muffler sensor. You get the choice of 5-inch chrome or black tips. Fitting time is about 45 minutes, so you can do most yourself, but the tips do need to be spot welded into place. Importantly, the system fits the factory-backed ASV and SCD conversions, and if you go the full exhaust, it will clear the steering column no issue. Now you know what it costs, what goes into it, and you've heard a bit of it. So let's go do some more testing. No, I do mean thrashing. There are 3 places where it matters what your car sounds like: in the cabin, when driving, and when showing off to your mates in a car park.
I can hear you from all the way at the back here, Tony.
Settle down, Tony.
So we measured all 3. We picked up a decibel meter and shot everything you see on the same day in the same spots to get the most representative results before and after fitting the Manta catback. Now, no doubt some of you are wondering what performance changes doing a catback makes. The reality, not a lot or nothing, but a full exhaust with a tune can release a lot of horsepower.
Go buy your own catback from Manta. You can find retailers online who can fit one for you, and you too can have the best sounding Ram on the road.